Hello guys, this is Avinash Ravindran from St.Mary's College, Thrissur. Today I am going to show you how to share files using Google Drive in computer and smartphone. If you find this video helpful, do like and share. Thank you. First of all, sign into Gmail account. Then go to the right top corner, click on Google Apps. From there, select Drive. On an external window, the Google Drive will be opened. From there, choose New folder for creating a folder in that drive. Create a name for the folder and press the key Enter. Double click on the folder to open it. You can simply drag and drop files there, or go to the left corner and click on New. You can upload entire folder or a single file. Choose the option, then browse for the file. The file will be uploaded in few minutes depending on your internet speed. If you want to cancel, hit cancel. Once it's completed, it will be shown on the space. You can go back to the drive, select the folder, right button, click Share. In that window, you can enter the email ID. Type in a message if you want to, check the option Notify, and then hit Send. That's it, the file has been shared.